inside and check it out. So this is the newest GoPro Hero 9 Black. Just checking out my car. Seeing how it looks. I hope this camera does justice. Yeah, right now I have it on the 5K mode. And you guys are not going to believe this one, but I got this camera for, you guys are not going to believe this, I think around $240 on sale. Now luckily the box was already open and this guy got it. So now I have it in my hand, I'm checking it out. I was pressured into getting it because I didn't want to get it this early, but I got it in my hand now and I don't think I'm gonna regret it. So I just hope this is a good investment, which I think it is. But you know, just gotta do things when you don't really feel like doing them, you know. Things usually always work out. But right now we just walking around the premises. Let's take a look at the sun, see how that looks. Right now we're in sunny Arizona, where never ever is cool. Well, I wouldn't say that. Let me take that back. It does get cool here, but only during certain times of the year. But this thing is nice. It's very smooth, very smooth. I'll show you guys the box in a second. Yeah, so this is a very nice camera. Usually this camera is $400. $400 this camera is. It's got 5K, 4K. Should turn on this front camera. Let me turn the front camera on, because this thing also has a front camera, which is very nice. Let me. All right, now the front camera is on. Now it doesn't look. It's a little glitchy on the front camera. I don't understand why. It's almost like an Android, but I don't know, maybe it's because I'm in 5K, I'm not sure. But hopefully it comes out better once I post a video. But yeah guys, this is the GoPro. I'm part of the club now. Sorry I'm so late, but I'm here. That's all that matters, you know. But this is sunny Arizona with the GoPro. First video. I just literally left Walmart to get the freaking memory card for it, but they have a little Walmart next to me, so I couldn't get everything I wanted. So now I gotta go on Amazon and order some things. But this front camera, not too sure about. The back camera looks totally fine, and I'm holding this with my bare hands right now, so you know, this is not bad. Let me go look at one of these flowers, check out the quality. Right now I got 4 hours left on my memory card. Let's see how the flowers look. Y'all tell me, because I'm not sure, but they look really nice. Wow. There's a bunch of butterflies around too. Let's check this flower out. Nice flowers, nice greenery. Now, well, usually we don't see too much grass out here, but luckily we have a park right next to us, so we lucked out for us. But yep, I take my daughter all the way over there to the park. A lot. Over there at least once or twice a week, maybe once. Let me not sit here and lie. I'm out here once a week, maybe not, maybe that. But yeah, this is the neighbor's bike. I need to go look at some stuff, man. I need to go look at some nice grass and greenery. I just ordered 2K, pre-ordered it. It's coming out tomorrow. Hopefully y'all not the late, cause I got it, and I will be seeing y'all later. But y'all hit me up on K_Spizzy on the PS5. I lucked out. Have y'all seen the prices on the PS5 now? They're up to $900. Luckily, I got mine on the first day it came out, so I really got lucky. I still don't know how I have it, but yeah, it's going up, y'all. The price is going up, and it's not coming down. We got the dog neighbors over here. I just did a quick little walk around my building just to check it out. It's crazy. This is the Infiniti that I wanted, but they wanted like 25,000. I'm more around, my budget's like 15, 16, 17,000. So, you know, one day we gonna get there. We gonna get there. You know, I don't even want that no more, actually. Really want a Jag. Something you don't see too much. But, you know, that's just how it is. It's hot as hell out here. I'm gonna let y'all know that too. I don't know what this is. This been sitting out here for some days. But yep, these are some condominiums. They got 2 stories. 2 bath, 2 beds. We in a 3 bath, 2 bed. I'm sorry, what I said that totally wrong. 3 bed, 2 bath with a little backyard. Little backyard. But yep, I walked right past my whip. Shit, there's the whip again. My neighbor just got into some trouble. We'll talk about that later. But man, oh, we got some flowers right here. Let's check them out. Some greenery with the sunlight hitting it. It's been a bunch of butterflies out lately. Ooh, yeah, this is nice. Some nice pictures, nice. Let's get this one right here. It's right outside the crib, y'all. Right outside the door. We got the rain going. Don't try it, because we will shoot. Ask questions later. But yeah, we here, y'all. Now we finna go post it and see what it looks like. All right, so now we are in the house. We're just gonna take a look and see what we got. So basically, this is what it came looking like. Get out the sun. May need to take a better view, but this is what it looks like. It's a nice, soft, nice looking case. Can't lie. Now, luckily, these are the only ones that come with a case. So, gotta think about that too. So, you're getting a little bit of your money's worth with that. Now, this is what it came with. It came with a cord, came with an attachment for any of your accessories, basically. Came with a bike attachment, and this is a sticky part that you take off for basically your helmet. So, it's pretty cool. Came with the USB 5.0 charger. Very nice. I didn't even take it off. That's the inside of it. Nothing too fancy. Just what you need. Also came with a manual. Hopefully I get a chance to read that, but who reads that stuff? And then this is also what it came with. Came with some stickers. Pretty cool stickers. That's for the bike mount. That's for the mount that it comes with. And then it also comes with an app. So I'm also about to upload these to the app and see how it looks. Also comes with the battery. But yeah. And look at this smoking price I got it for, y'all. $224. Saved $174. And guys, this camera is usually $400. But yep, somebody must not wanted it that bad. I know how the bills come. Now, one thing I will say, I got it in my hand right now. I've only been using it for maybe about 10 minutes, maybe. And it's a little hot. It's hot. It's kind of hot to hold. I don't get it why. Maybe it's just because I'm using 5K. I don't know. But yeah, guys. This is my little review. I know it's not too much, but just wanted to see how this would look on YouTube, really. That's really what I want to see. And I don't have any subscribers either, guys. So if y'all want to give me a follow, a like, a comment, anything y'all want, y'all leave it for me, man. So I'm trying to get just like everybody else, man. I just looked at a YouTube tutorial just like mostly everybody else does. But yep, this is me, man. We're going to be back with a bunch of other stuff. Got plenty of stuff coming up, so yeah, guys, this is me. Peace.